Your Google Shopping product title is the single biggest lever you've got for which keywords you show up for. Get it right and Google puts your product in front of the exact buyers who are searching for it. Get it wrong and you're basically invisible for the searchers that truly matter for your product. And the trouble is, writing a genuinely optimized, high-quality product title is fiddly, technical work, and doing it properly across a lot of products can take a long time. So I built a free AI tool that does the whole thing for you in about 30 seconds. From nothing but a product URL. And in this video, I'm giving it away to you for free, as well as showing you exactly how to use it. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Daryl, and I've been running a Google Ads agency called Big Flare for over 13 years now. On this channel, I share the latest Google Ads strategies for growth straight from the trenches. And this next one's a bit of a treat for you guys. It's a free AI tool for shopping ads optimization that you can start using the second this video ends. Now, if you follow my channel, you may have seen a while back when I released a custom GPT that optimizes your shopping product titles for you. Well, what I'm sharing with you today is the updated, new and improved version of that custom GPT. I've now moved the optimizer over to Google Gemini instead of GPT because my tests have recently shown better performance over there for this specific type of task. I've also updated and improved the instructions and knowledge of the AI, so you'll get even better output compared to the old custom GPT. All right, so with that said, let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to use the tool. All right, guys, so when you first open up the product title optimizer, it's going to look like this. It's going to be a chat window with Gemini. And the first thing you want to do is plug in the URL for the exact product whose title you want to optimize. So I've got this product over here. I'm going to use this one as an example. Let's take its URL and plug it in here. So literally all you need to do at first is put in your URL. Now what's going to happen next is Gemini is going to go and read your page and do a bit of research and figure out exactly what your product is all about, and it's going to come up with some initial keyword ideas. So first it will give you a product summary, and you can just check that just to make sure that the AI has properly understood what your product is all about. And then it's going to list out some keyword suggestions which it's going to use in the next step when it's generating your title. And you've got a choice at this point. It's going to ask you, are there any keywords you want to be included in the optimized title? So if there are any keywords, you can just literally put them in here, comma separate it, and when the optimization runs, the system will make sure to include those keywords in your title. You have also got the option to just say no, and what happens if you say no is the AI is just going to run the title optimization using its own thinking and keyword ideas without having to put in any additional ones from you. So I'm just going to keep this simple right now, and I'm going to say no. Then Gemini is going to have a bit of a think while it is building out your product title. Now, I did put it on thinking mode, which does give slightly better results. If you want this to run a lot faster for you, then you can just change the model to the Flash model. But if you've got a bit of time and you don't mind spending an extra 10 seconds waiting, then use thinking to get a slightly better result. And there you have it. It is done. There is my optimized title: Alpha Brain Nootropic Supplement, brain supplement for focus and memory, 60 capsules, caffeine-free cognitive support, mental clarity on it. And that is a way better shopping title that's going to get tons more traffic and sales than if they had just used the default title from their store, which a lot of store owners are currently doing because they haven't realized they need to optimize their titles. So using this tool, if you then come up with a title that's more like this and use that for your shopping product feed, I guarantee you'll get tons more traffic than if you had something like this for your shopping title. Another thing to know, guys, a lot of people think that in order to make this the title for your shopping ads, you have to change the title on your website, but that's simply not true. You've got a couple of options, and there are multiple ways where you can just make this the title for your shopping ads only without having to touch your title on the website. The best title for your website is not the same thing as the best title for your shopping feed. And a couple of options here: if you use a third-party feed management tool, any good feed management tool will let you customize and use this better title without having to change your site. Or actually these days you can actually just edit the title in Google Merchant Center, edit the feed right there, and then again, you'll be able to insert this title into shopping ads only without having to affect what's written on your site. But having said that, let's look at the other things I've got here. So it's given me a character count. So it's showing me that I have got 140 characters out of the 150 characters. That's another thing this AI will do for you, is it will make sure you've got a nice long title, because you really want to use as much of those 150 characters as possible, because you want to take every opportunity you can get to target as many keywords as you can, because as I always say, your product title when it comes to shopping ads is your keyword targeting. Pretty much it's the most important field in your feed for telling Google what keywords you want to show up for. And the other thing that the AI is going to do is it's going to just let you know the strategy behind the title. So we front loaded the core identity, which was alpha brain nootropic supplement. We merged in some high volume phrases like brain supplement and focus and memory, all these extra keywords that are now going to be targeted that weren't going to be targeted if we just had that as the title. And it's also going to confirm exactly which keywords we're targeting in the title, just so you know. And at the end of this, you've got two choices. You can chat with the system to make adjustments. For example, I might say include or add the keyword smart pills, something like that. So you can give feedback to the system and it will work that in. This is a chat, it is interactive. Or what you can do is just paste in the URL for the next product you want to optimize, and then it will go away and do that optimization for you. Hey guys, quick word in here just in case you need help with all of this stuff. Now, this tool makes optimizing your titles genuinely fast and easy. But you might be sitting there realizing your titles are only the tip of the iceberg, and what your account really needs is a proper set of expert hands managing it for you. So if that's you, this is exactly what my agency does. At Bigfair, we run Google Ads for e-commerce brands day in, day out, and we've generated over $150 million in revenue for our clients. Now, if you'd like me and my team to take the whole Google Ads account off your plate and then just run it for you and scale it for you, I do offer a free strategy session to see if we are a good fit. There's honestly no hard sell. I'm not that kind of guy. So you just book a call using the link in the description below, and we'll take a proper look at your account together. All right, let's get back to it. Now, I need to clear one thing up because I don't want you mixing them up. A couple of months back, I released a different type of title optimizer. It's one that runs inside of Claude Cowork. So which one of the two should you use? Here's the simplest way to think about it. The tool in this video, the Gemini Gem, is the simple, fast, and easy tool. You don't need a paid account. You don't need to set up any connectors to Google Ads or anything like that. You literally just click the link and then sign into Google and you can use the tool. It's built for optimizing one title at a time and doing it very quickly. The other title optimizer, the Claude Cowork version, that one's a bit more work to set up. You need to have a Claude Cowork account and you've got to install some connectors, and you have to install the plugin into your Cowork account. So overall, there are more steps involved just to get it running. But in return, it does do a fair bit more. For one, it batch optimizes. So if you want to do hundreds of titles across your whole catalog in one go, that other Claude Cowork title optimizer tool is the one to reach for, not the Gemini Gem that I've showed you in today's video. Now, the other tool also does a lot deeper research. It actually plugs into your own Google Ads search term data, and it plugs into Google Keyword Planner data, and it also reviews your website and does research on the web. So that way the titles that come out at the end of it are better researched and a bit higher quality. It'll even export a ready to upload Merchant Center feed for you. So here's the bottom line. If you just want to optimize a single title and you want to do it quickly with zero setup, use the Gemini Gem that I'm sharing with you in this video. If you're comfortable with a bit more of a techie setup and you want to optimize your entire catalog in one go with deeper research, use the Claude Cowork tool instead. And I have got a full video walkthrough of the Claude Cowork tool right up here if you want to go away and grab that one as well. But for most people watching, honestly, the gem in this video is the one you'll reach for most often. All right, so how do you get your hands on today's AI optimizer tool? Well, it's completely free and the link is in the description below this video. Once you get your copy of the Gemini Gem, click onto it, make sure you're signed into your Google account so that Gemini actually opens up properly, and then you can start optimizing your titles right away. That's genuinely all there is to it. Now, one thing you should know is while your product title is the most important field in your feed for telling Google which keywords you want to target, there is another field in your feed that comes second place and is also important for telling Google what keywords you want. And that other field is called your product type. Getting your product type correct also tells Google a lot about which keywords you want to be showing up for. So it'd be a real shame to optimize one and ignore the other, which is exactly why the video to watch next is the one where I give away my free tool for exactly that, the equivalent Google Gemini Gem that optimizes your product type field. It's linked right up here, so go grab that tool as well, and then you'll have both of the most important keyword fields in your product feed fully dialed in, which is a genuinely powerful spot to be in for your Google shopping campaigns and all your Performance Max campaigns. All right, that's it for this one. Go and grab the tool, and I'll see you in the next video.